This is where discarded copper begins a powerful second life. Thousands of tons of copper scrap arrive here every month. The recycling process starts with careful handling and sorting. Advanced machines separate pure copper from contaminants.
Even small impurities can affect final quality.
Next, the copper is broken into smaller, manageable pieces.
Each fragment carries value. Oil, dust, and dirt are washed away. Clean copper ensures stronger cookware. Now comes the heart of the process. Copper melts at extreme temperatures.
At over 1,000 degrees, copper transforms.
This liquid metal will soon become cookware. Impurities are skimmed away. The copper is shaped into solid blocks. Cooling brings strength and structure. Automation ensures precision and safety. Now the copper is flattened and shaped. Perfect thickness is critical. These sheets are the foundation of cooking pots. Each piece is measured with accuracy. Gigantic presses give copper its final form. Pressure turns flat metal into strength.
Quality control is non-negotiable.
Heat treatment improves durability. Controlled cooling prevents cracks.
Sharp edges are removed for safety.
Polishing brings out copper's natural beauty.
Each pot reflects craftsmanship.
Strong handles complete the design.
Every pot is carefully inspected.
Only the strongest pass.
Presentation matters.
Each stamp marks authenticity. From scrap to masterpiece.
Prepared for kitchens worldwide.
Ready for global delivery.
The journey continues.
Recycling builds a sustainable future.
This is the power of recycled copper.